Hello, welcome to Codeforces Round 991. We are solving problem D of division 3, digital string maximization. So in this problem, we are given a string S consisting of digits from 0 to 9. In one operation, we can pick any digit in this string except 0 or the leftmost digit, decrease it by 1 and then swap it with the digit left to the picked. For example, in operation, we can form the string 1023. We can get 1103 or 1022. Why so? If I pick this 3, reduce it by 1 and swap it with the leftmost one, that will be 1022. If I pick 2 over here, it will get reduced by 1 and then it will move left hand side, so it will be 1103. That is the operation that we can perform, and we need to find the lexicographically maximum string that we can obtain by performing any number of operations. Okay, so if you see the string, it is 2 into 10 to the power 5, and since numbers are from 0 to 9, if I think that if I want to keep I go to every character, I will try to bring that, since at coming to that particular point it will be a certain number. If it is larger, I want it come to left hand side, to the maximum left hand side, where it will help me forming the lexicographically maximum string. So in worst case also, if I give it a try for every 999, if I'm trying to bring it to my left hand side, if 2 into the power 5 into worst case into 9, it in 2 seconds it should be operational. So if you see the examples, I have 1 9, reducing 9 by 1 will result in 8 and swapping it to the left it will become 81. In the next example, I have 1709, so they have said that 1709 reducing 9 by 1 it will become 8, swapping it to the left hand side it will 1780. Now taking 7 into account, reducing it by 1 it will become 6, making it to the left 6180. Now moving 8 to the left hand side by reducing it to 1, so 6710. So this is my final number. We can say that reducing this 7 by 1, moving it to left, but that will result in 6 6. That is not helping me out, so that is why it will remain maximum. Okay, so what we can do, first we'll take the string as input. I'll start moving from first index. Okay, from first index, j will be my index pointing to -1. I'm maintaining a current of I that is pointing to the current index that I have. This will continue until the leftmost object swap is j, because j is denoting I -1. Wherever current I'm standing, I -1. So this j should not get less than 0. So that it gives me out of bound error. And also, if s of current should be greater than 0, that is the current value on which I'm standing, it should be greater than 0, because we can't go in negative. So that is why. And if my current value, that current where I'm standing, if that is greater than s of j plus 1, that is the same case that if it is 6 or 7, if it is 8, then I can move it, it will become 7 6. That is lexicographically maximum, but this is 7 because this will reduce, the character will reduce by 1, so we don't need that. That is why this check is important, that s plus j plus 1, that is the previous count plus 1, it should be greater than that, then only this swap is feasible. What I'll do is I will decrease the current where I'm standing by 1. I will swap the current with just previous one, it will get swapped, and I will reduce my current also, because now I will look for that updated position where I am, and also accordingly j will also get updated. And since j is also being updated, the check on j is important, because j is always pointing to one step back. If my current is on 0, j will be pointing to -1, so that is not I want. That is why this condition is also important. And once all that is done, simply printing out as my final answer. So yeah, that is all we have to do in this problem. If you have any query, do comment it out. If you like the video, hit the like button and do subscribe for more daily content. Thank you.